Question 1. In the chart below, Juan entered the masses, charges, and locations for 3 different parts of an atom. What should Juan put for A, B, and C respectively? Answer choice A positive, B electron cloud, C less than 1 AMU. Answer choice B, A neutral, B nucleus, C 1 AMU. Answer choice C, A negative, B electron cloud, C 1 AMU. Or answer choice D, A neutral, B nucleus, C less than 1 AMU. Question 2. Which statement best describes the part of the atom that is shown by the arrow? A. It is an electron and it has a negative charge. B. It is an electron and it has a positive charge. C. It is a proton and it has a positive charge. Or D. It is a neutron and it has a negative charge. Question 3. The periodic table of the elements classifies all of the known elements into categories based on their physical and chemical properties. In order to be identified as the element carbon, an atom must have A. 6 neutrons, B. 12 electrons, C. 6 protons, or D. 12 neutrons. Question 4. Group 1, the alkali metals, includes lithium, sodium, and potassium. These elements have similar chemical properties because they have the same A. Number of protons and neutrons, B. Number of protons in the nucleus, C. The number of electrons in the outer energy level, or D. Number of neutrons in the nucleus. Question 5. Would the following atoms have similar reactivity? A. Yes, because they all have the same number of electron shells. B. No, because they all have different numbers of valence electrons. C. No, because they have different number of total electrons. Or D. Yes, because they have different numbers of total electrons. Question 6. Which of the following properties uniquely identifies every element? A. Number of valence electrons. B. Phases at room temperature. C. Number of protons. Or D. Charge of the atom. Question 7. During radioactive decay, it is possible for an element to lose protons. Which of the following will occur if the element's number of protons decreases? A. There will be no charge. B. The atomic number will increase. C. The element will be more reactive. Or D. The identity of the element will change. Question 8. The number of electrons in the outermost energy level of an atom is referred to as its blank, and determine the atom's blank. A. Valence number identity. B. Valence number reactivity. C. Atomic number identity. Or D. Atomic number reactivity. Question 9. Which of the following is true? A. Helium is a stable element because its outer shell of electrons is full. B. Helium is a stable element because its outer shell of electrons is not full. C. Helium is not a stable element because its outer shell of electrons is not full. Or D. Helium is not a stable element because its outer shell of electrons is full. Question 10. Which of these atoms is non-reactive? A. Atom A, B. Atom B, C. Atom C, or D. Atom D.